Dedicated to you guys, my viewers, and my super chatters. When you say nothing at all. Yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Party, party! Kahit ako lang mag-isa. Ayan, I feel like I'm in Philippines.
Guys, so today we're here in the Jardang do Trocadero. Alo, onila, oni arrivé.
Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel. And by the way, I am Wana Ayala from Wana's Vlog, and today's video we're going to do unboxing. So let's do it. Yes, always be careful with the knife. I know my husband is not going to buy me a very expensive one, but he always choose the good one. Okay, so ta-da! Wireless microphone hi-fi speaker. I am a Filipino, by the way, and Filipino love to sing. So I'm in France right now. It's been a while. I don't visit Philippines because of the pandemic and yeah, travel, expensive travel, and I miss a lot of Philippines. When you miss Philippines, you miss singing, right? Sa mga OFW, for those Filipino like me who is far from Philippines, I know you understand me. This is the first one we miss. Singing. Yeah, I'm not a good singer, but I like singing, right? So this is what inside. What is inside in this box? And USB. I think it's to charge. Ah, okay. Is there an SD card or something? This is for the audio, I think. I don't know exactly. So by the way, this is made from China, okay? And made in China, handheld KTV, wireless microphone, hi-fi speaker. I already said that, right? Technically, parameters, output power, 5 watt. Output power, 5 watt. Frequency, range, 100 Hz, 10 kHz. Max sound pressure level. I don't know what is it. 115 dB, 1 kHz, TDH. For those who know this kind of, I don't have an idea. Charging power, DC 5 volts. Ayan. So, lead pose. There is a button here, preview, next, scan, record, mic volume. Ayan, yun lang. At saka, how it works. Hello, my test. And it's light.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
It surprised me. So, maybe. Narinig nyo? Anong sinabi niya?
Line in.
Line in. I'm going to press it again.
The radio mode up.
Okay. So, I'm going. So, there's a radio, right? What the heck? Okay, you can record and scan. Scan, okay. Maybe the scan is about to scan the channel or something. There's nothing happened. So next, our previews. Oh, it doesn't scan anything. So let's try to connect in the and it plays here, right? So amazing. So I'm going to sing right now. So replay. When you say nothing at all, I'm not a good singer, but I should try this one. This thing dedicated to you guys, my viewers, and my super chatters. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Oh, it's amazing. Someday I could never explain what I hear when you say a thing. Hindi marunong magbasa. Smile on your face, let me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes, saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hands, say you'll catch me wherever I fall. Say it best when you say nothing at all. Yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Party, party! Kahit ako lang mag-isa. Ayan, I feel like I'm in Philippines. And about the quality of this phone, guys, napakaano niya, napakagaan niya. Very light. Sa English pa. Yung material niya ay napakaano, hindi masyadong, hindi siya ganon katibay. At saka yung ingat, or hindi naman masyadong maingat, pero hindi yung parang you're going to be drunk. Parang yung, hindi yung katulad ng microphone na ginagamit natin sa Videoke bar na pwede, pag lasing ka na, pwede mahulog, tapos kanta ulit, hulog ulit, kanta ulit, o kaya pag-aagawan. Ayan. Parang hindi niya kaya yun. So, okay lang naman kasi positive thing, mura lang siya, hindi at ako lang naman ang kakanta, ang gagamit. Hindi naman ako lasengga. At yung kung may mga kaibigan na pupunta ng bahay, satisfied na ako. Try ko din siya sa TV. Nag-connect siya sa TV. Ayan. Tsaka may USB din para i-connect, di ba? Para i-charge. So, all in all, I'm satisfied with this. Every time I miss Philippines, I just have to take this one. Walang mga abubot. No need to do a lot of wirings or installment to sing, right? So, you can also use your phone, search song, videoke, karaoke, songs, and YouTube, and sing along. Ayan, automatic. So, it's also, pwede mong dalhin kahit saan. Ayan. You can bring anywhere you want. It's not heavy, it's not big. So you can put in your shoulder bag or something if you want to go to a place of your friend and your friend doesn't have this kind of microphone, so you can bring easily and you can sing along. Hi, Ate Nora, Nokian Felfran, shout out. Pwede na tayo mag-sing along, te. Ayan. So that's all for this unboxing for today, and hope you like this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell right there so you're notified every time I upload another videos. Bye. I drink the memories and the gloom of the music